Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today we're going to solve a question from an MAT paper. I think it was 2019, Oxford's entrance paper question. And the question is about a cubic polynomial, a function, and we want to know whether this function has one real solution, two, three real solutions, or infinitely many, or no real solution at all. So why don't you pause the video and try it yourself, and then we could go over it together. Okay, so if this was a quadratic equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you know that we would use the discriminant to see whether it's less than 0, greater than 0, or equal to 0. However, it's a cubic. Now, there is a formula for cubic functions as well, but it's very long. So we don't want to use that formula. Instead, we're going to try another method. So another method to find the number of solutions, the real solutions of a cubic function, is to look at the stationary points and find the corresponding y-values for that stationary points to see whether it's positive or negative, then deduce something about the roots. So we're going to define a function. Let f of x be x cubed minus 300x minus 3000. Okay, so this is our function, and then we want to know the stationary points. So f dash of x is equal to 3x squared minus 300. That's equal to 0 because we are interested in the stationary points. So that implies we have x squared is equal to 300 divided by 3, which is equal to 100. That implies x is equal to plus minus 10. So let's work out what f of 10 and f of minus 10 is. Well, f of 10 is 10 cubed minus 300 times 10 minus 3000, which gives us 5000. So 10 and, sorry, that gives us minus 5000. Yeah. 10 and minus 5000. So f of minus 10 gives us minus 1000, plus 3000, minus 3000, which gives us minus 1000. So minus 10 and minus 1000. Okay, so let's do a rough sketch. Let's call this x and as y, or f of x. So stationary points are when x is 10, y is equal to minus 5000. So let's say somewhere here. When x is 10, y is minus 5000. And when x is minus 10, y is equal to minus 1000, somewhere here. 1000. So, right, we know it's a cubic function and we know it's positive, so it will look something like this. Yeah. So, based on this two information, we could roughly guess that the x cubed graph will look like that. And then it will look like that, where these 2 points here are the stationary points. That means we will only have one solution. So, therefore, the correct answer is B, that it has exactly one real solution. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it inspiring, and I look forward to seeing you in my future videos. Thank you.